In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a meeting notes system in Notion. We'll start by creating a dedicated home for all your meetings. Open Notion and add a new database as a full-page table. Give it a clear name so everyone knows what lives here, something like meeting notes. This database is where every meeting gets its own entry, so you can track details consistently and find records later without digging. Next, add the core properties that make each note useful. Rename the title property to meeting name so you can quickly scan the list. Add a date property using Notion's date type so you can filter and sort by when the meeting happened. Add an attendees property. You can use a simple text or multi-select field, or choose the people property if you want to mention teammates. Finally, add a status property as a select field. Create options that match how you work, such as planned, held, and archived. These 4 properties become the backbone of your system. To save time for recurring formats, create a template. In your database, open the new menu and choose New Template. Name it after the meeting type, like Weekly Sync or Project Review. This template will auto-fill the page with the structure you need, so you're never starting from a blank page 5 minutes before the call. Inside the template, add clear sections for agenda items, notes, decisions, and action tasks. Use headings to separate them. For agenda items, add a simple checklist so people can prepare. In the notes section, capture key discussions in short, scannable bullets. Under decisions, write 1 line per decision with enough context that someone reading later knows what changed. For action tasks, list each task with an owner and a due date. If you like, add checkboxes so it's obvious what's completed. To keep everything organized across teams, use tags and filters. Add a tags or department property as a multi-select field and create values that reflect your world, like marketing, product, or finance. Then, build alternate views of your database, one filtered by a specific tag, one that shows only upcoming meetings, and one sorted by date. This makes it easy to jump straight to what you need. Finally, make post-meeting review a habit. Right after each session, open the note, tidy the agenda into notes, confirm the decisions, and update action tasks and status. This quick pass locks in accuracy while details are fresh and keeps your records dependable over time. With this system, your team's meeting knowledge becomes searchable, consistent, and truly actionable.